So we have to be on the lookout for all kinds of factoring when we're doing these things too. So I look at this, I might immediately see difference of two perfect squares, but it also has a GCF of 4. So I can take a 4 out of each term and get x squared minus 25. And I should always take the GCF out first because it makes my life easier. Okay? Now, the inside the parentheses is a difference of two perfect squares. And hopefully at this point, you've gotten so that you can just factor difference of two perfect squares like that. Remember, I'm just taking the square root of x squared and I'm getting x. Taking the square root of 25 and I'm getting 5. And then I get an x and a 5 in each parenthesis and a plus and a minus, not a plus and a plus and a minus in there. Okay, now technically this 4 is a term. All right, so it's 4 times whatever x plus 5 is times whatever x minus 5 is. And technically, I'm supposed to set each term equal to 0. So I should think about this and be like, all right, well, 4 can't equal 0. So there's nothing happening in that first parenthesis. And it's important to think about this because if it had a GCF of an x, then that first thing would matter. All right, and I'm sure that somewhere in this file, there is a situation where an x comes out of the GCF. And you'll see what happens if you forget to set that first thing equal to 0. You get -5, you get 5. That's it. And you can plug these back in and see if they work if you didn't believe that those are the answers, but they will work.